Alright guys, sorry no video today. My webcam is not playing nice, so we got a microphone though. So this video, you are watching this either on Monday or Tuesday. If you're watching this on Tuesday, hopefully you got the remind message that this is a PSAT shutdown day. But, and that's all if this is our fun COVID year of 2020-2021. Alright, so what we have here, this is our overview of the third 6 weeks. Okay, this is your 6 weeks review. I'm going to walk through this, show you how to fill this out, show you what you need to look at, what you need to study, and what you need to be prepared for when we meet next on A Day, Wednesday the 27th. You guys are going to take this, take the 6 weeks exam, and B Day on Thursday the 28th of January. You're going to take this exam. So, here we go. Our grammar overview. We have our 2A vocab, we have our my schedule, and we have our subject pronouns and AR verbs. All right. Our vocab looks like this. It's all about school. Okay. And again, you have this assignment. You have this this stuff already. This is on your assignment for 2A vocab, I believe. Go back to this a second. Yep. Here are our subject pronouns. We're going to see those about 17 more times. Again, remember, if all else breaks down, this is singular, this is plural, this is first person, second person, third person. Okay? Remember, vosotros is you, is y'all, and we do not use it in Texas. All right? So, there is your vocab. Your schedule, you're actually going to type in what your classes are here. All right, so your ordinal numbers, they're actually right here to talk about things in order. Okay, so these words are going to go in this column. You're going to put what your class is and who your teacher is. It's either going to be, for example, if you were Spanish class, it'd be Senor Doyle. If it were English class and you had, I don't know, one of the English teachers, Miss Kina, right? Senora Kina, or, right? So, yeah. So you're going to fill out your schedule, all right? Second thing is this, these are our subject pronouns. Yo is I, tú is you, informal, él is he, and actually that should be going. Él is he, ella is she, usted is you formal, nosotros is we, vosotros is y'all, ellos, they, ellas, they, all feminine, right? Ustedes, you, plural. So remember we have our 3 U's, right? Informal, formal, and plural. We're just being specific, right? If you think back to my examples in class of, you know, I need you to open your book, please, right? If I'm standing directly in front of one student, looking at that one student, I need you to open your book is this. If I'm standing 5 feet back at the front of the classroom, looking at everybody, I need you to open your book, please, becomes this. Okay. Here's a practice. You're going to fill in what the Spanish word is. Yo, tú, ellos, right? Okay, so fill in the Spanish there. Here's a practice document. So what would you substitute, right? These two are 3 and 6 are given to you. Merry Christmas, right? So Laura, if we were going to substitute, that would be what? Ella. Okay. Don't cheat. The answers are on the second one, in case you need to double check. Okay. All right. Our AR endings. These are our AR verb endings. O, as, a, amos, and on. O, as, a, amos, and on. All right. O, as, a, amos, on. You need to be able to like say that in your sleep. Okay. here's a blank one you're going to fill in on your own, right? So you're going to put these endings in that are right there, right? Just you're going to write it on your own. Now, when we get to our verbs, okay, this is our verb hablar, to speak. So, hablar, to speak. We're going to take off the AR, okay? And that leaves our root. Our root here is in blue. All of these examples, I've given you your root in blue. Merry Christmas, okay? So, then we add our o, as, a, almost on, onto the end of our root. Hablo, tú hablas, él habla, ella habla, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, ellos hablan, ustedes hablan. O, as, a, almost on. Alright? Escuchar, to listen. O, as, a, almost on. Yo escucho, tú escuchas, él escucha, ella escucha, usted escucha, nosotros escuchamos, ellos escuchan, ustedes escuchan. Right? Again, we don't mess with vosotros. We don't need it. An overview of those two that we just did. Some other verbs. You're going to need to know what these verbs mean for the exam. Hablar and escuchar. Llegar, to arrive. Yo llego, tú llegas, él llega, ella llega, usted llega, nosotros llegamos, ellos llegan, ustedes llegan. Usar, to use. Yo uso, tú usas, él usa, ella usa, usted usa, nosotros usamos, ellos usan, ustedes usan. Bailar, to dance. Cantar, to sing. Buscar, to look, or to look for. Tomar, to drink. Okay? A little bit of practice. This should look familiar. This is off of your day 2, AR Verb Day 2 assignment when we did the PowerPoint or Google Slides. So, you're gonna pick the verb and goes in the blank, right? And make sure you conjugate right. Like tú, you would put tú usar la computadora. You'd say tú usas la computadora. All right, there are going to be 6 culture questions, 3 about Cuba and 3 about la Navidad en España y México. In Cuba, ¿qué es la capital? What is the capital of Cuba? They have a famous communist leader who helped overthrow the democratic government in the late 50s. And then the Cuban Missile Crisis. Right, there was a country that was helping Cuba. Right, what was the name of that country in the Cuban Missile Crisis? La Navidad en España. Right, so you can go back to that document. What is the name of the national lottery in Spain? It's got a funny nickname. Okay, the other special name. Oh, this is a whole name one. Right, the special name of the Christmas Eve midnight mass. Right. And then Santa Claus. What do they call Santa Claus in Spain? So, that is your review. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Remind or Google Voice, and I will help you out as much as I can. All right, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in class.